Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Do you guys want to learn about colors? You do? All right, we're going to learn colors using balloons. Let's go. Red, red balloon floating in the sky. Blue, blue balloon drifting up so high. White, white balloon flying through the air. Green, green balloon, you can see it everywhere. The balloon song, balloon song. This is the balloon song. Brown, brown balloon blowing in the wind. Black, black balloon floating by me again. Purple, purple balloon, such a beautiful thing. Orange, orange balloon makes me want to sing. The balloon song, balloon song. This is the balloon song. Balloon song, balloon song. This is the balloon song. Okay, let's sing it a little quieter now. Are you ready? Let's go. Yellow, yellow balloon, high above the trees. Pink, pink balloon, coming back to me. Coming back to me. Thank you, friends, for coming to sing the song with me.